be seated. Ms. Grubb, anything for the record?
Yes, Your Honor. I would like to put one thing on the record. During Ms. Menashe's cross-examination of Dr. Ralston, she referred to a deposition. We do not have that deposition, nor was it supplemented to us. I believe that's the third time that the defense has used materials that have not been forwarded to us in reciprocal discovery. I just want to make a record. Thank you. And ask that we receive all items in the future.
Ms. Menashe?
Yes, Your Honor. I'm happy to give them a copy of the deposition now, and I can just say the only reason why I wouldn't have or thought to have is because they have seemingly had all the civil deposition transcripts through their joint agreement. So I certainly didn't think that we needed to provide a transcript in the civil case today.
Well, why don't you check with them? If you're going to use something, make sure they have it ahead of time.
Sure, I will do
I mean,
that.
it's hard to do that, I know, and we may have to play it by the fly, but, you know, try to at least get it over to them.
Sure,
Your
I will do
Honor,
that.
if I may address the record, we do not have a joint agreement with any civil attorneys. As a matter of fact, we piecemeal the items that we receive, and we are supplying the defense with a full list at the beginning of each week of which witnesses we intend to call. So I don't think it would be onerous for them to check off with us to see what depositions we may or may not have, since we are extending the courtesy of our witness list each and every week. Thank you.
Anything else for the record?
No.
I do. And it sounds petty to bring it up on the heels of that, but I promise it's not correlated. I had asked my co-counsel to address this issue, and he assures me it was a draft, so I believe it was. I just think it's generally disrespectful to be, during questioning, saying Ms. Menashe said that and Ms. Menashe said that. I think we should be better than that. It is appropriate to say on your cross or on your direct or opposing counsel, but it gets really, I think, catty. That's just my personal opinion. I want to put it on the record. Especially, you know, there's a gender issue there too, and I'm putting it on the record.
Okay, well, for the record, we had this discussion.
Okay.
Okay? It was outside the presence of everybody, and I thought the issue was resolved. It appears not to be. Okay? This isn't personal between the sides. This is putting on a case. Anything else?
After the statement.
Okay. Have a good night.
Thank you.
I did summon the press up here, the press representatives. I will have a talk with them. If anybody wants to be present. No?
No, I just passed on your message.
Oh, I wanted to talk to them.
I can go.
No, it's okay. They probably got the word that I want to talk to them now. Sometimes, but they might be trying to make their 5 o'clocks.
There we go.